What's up guys, Chicks here from Chicks Tech Reviews. So today I bring you a camera comparison test between the new iPhone 11 Pro Max versus the GoPro Hero 7. Now the new iPhone 11 shoots 4K at 60 frames per second with optical image stabilization. We are currently shooting with the iPhone's front-facing camera, so we have gyro image stabilization. And when we later on switch to the rear cameras, we will have optical image stabilization. Now, I have been playing around with the iPhone for a few days now, and I've been super impressed with the video quality and the stabilization. It's been absolutely amazing. It's probably the best looking video I've seen in a smartphone ever. Now that 4K 60 video quality on the iPhone was so impressive. It actually reminded me of the GoPro Hero 7, especially that smooth image stabilization. It reminded me of GoPro's hyper smooth image stabilization. So I had to bring both devices out and knock out a camera comparison just for you guys to find out which one is better. Now I have played around with the iPhone 11 camera for a bit, and I have to say the iPhone camera is absolutely amazing. And shooting 4K at 60 frames per second with the ultra smooth optical image stabilization reminded me of the GoPro Hero 7. So I thought I'd bring it out for a camera comparison to find out which one is actually better. So we are shooting 4K at 60 frames per second with both cameras. The GoPro has hyper smooth image stabilization, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max has optical image stabilization. Now the best quality 4K at 60 frames per second I've ever seen has to be the GoPro Hero 7, and that was only since I tested out the iPhone 11 Pro Max yesterday, and I thought the quality was absolutely amazing. 4K 60 with the smoothest optical image stabilization. And that's what made me come out today to do a camera comparison between both of these amazing devices. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max versus the GoPro Hero 7. We are only going to be testing 4K at 60 frames per second, which is the best quality that both of these devices can do. And we are of course going to be testing out that image stabilization. So let's do a quick jogging test. So I am running right now to really test out that image stabilization on both devices. On the screen, the GoPro looked the steadiest. There was absolutely no shake at all on the GoPro when I was running. The iPhone looked like it was shaking, but we're only going to know when I transfer the files to the computer and have them both side by side. Wow. I have to say, this iPhone video quality looks amazing, especially on the viewfinder on the screen while you're shooting. It just looks stunning. You can see the details, and I've not seen a smartphone that can do this so far. So Apple have really upped their game by giving us the best video camera possible on a smartphone. So I guess this is the new bar for video quality set by Apple. And I'm saying that already before seeing the footage because I have tested this out properly. So do let me know which audio is better. I have been interchanging the audio throughout this video. So it's quite a dull day today. It was raining earlier, you can see the clouds. So I've come out, I risked it a bit. I thought it's gonna rain, and I've just recovered from an illness. I was quite ill 2 days ago. I literally could not stand. And I was worried because my iPhone was sitting on the table and I couldn't do anything with it. So anyway, I'm here now. And I'm out and about doing a camera comparison with the GoPro Hero 7. Okay, so this video specifically, I've set the iPhone 11 Pro Max to wide mode. So we are shooting 4K at 60 frames per second on both, but the iPhone is set on wide mode to match that wide viewing angle of the GoPro Hero 7. So this is what you can expect when we match the resolution and the viewing angles of the iPhone directly to the GoPro Hero 7. Which one do you prefer? Now the GoPro Hero 7 I believe is £350, might be a bit less now. and the base model of the iPhone 11 is 629, I think, something like that. I will put the real prices in the description box below. Which one would you go for if you needed an iPhone and a GoPro? Then the iPhone 11 could be a very good option. Absolutely amazed by the iPhone. The more I use it, the more I love it. And it's about time. So this is the new bar in video recording, the best 4K 60 frames per second on a smartphone. So we are now looking at 12 megapixel photos on both devices. The iPhone 11 and the GoPro Hero 7 both take a maximum of 12 megapixel photos. I have set the iPhone 11 to ultra wide so it matches the GoPro's wide field of view. Now, some of you may ask why I even bothered making this video, as the most basic iPhone 11 is $729 and the GoPro Hero 7 is like half the price. Well, all three iPhone models can take the same quality video and photos, and this video is more about finding out how good the iPhone video quality really is. As in my opinion, the GoPro Hero 7 produces superb quality video in good lighting situations, and I just wanted to see and share with you guys what the iPhone is really capable of. Now, you can expect more interesting comparisons coming up very soon. Meanwhile, do let me know what you think of the photographs. Which device do you think did better? So we're going to walk against this busy main road for a bit to test out the audio quality. Cars are very noisy on this busy main road, and we're going to see which one sounds better, which audio sounds better. So it's not a windy day today, there's hardly any wind, so we can't test the wind noise. But the car noise next to us is probably worse than wind noise, and we are testing my voice against that right now. On both devices, my voice will be interchanging, so you can compare for yourselves which one you think sounds better. So there you have it, guys. That was a different type of comparison video. The best iPhone in the world just went head to head with the best action camera in the world. Now, the results were clear for you to see. Forget the price and the value of these products. Let me know in the comments below which device you think performed best for photos, videos, and also audio. Now, in my opinion, the iPhone 11 was the overall winner, but the image stabilization was slightly better on the GoPro Hero 7. So do let me know your thoughts. Keep doing what you guys enjoy the most, and if you appreciate my efforts, then please hit that like button to let me know. So I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one, guys.